Hey, hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of a shout out for Cindy's Kitchen.
Shout out number
And
15.
Number 15.
Hey,
and,
Christmas
here
Day.
I'm in with Ginger right here on my left side and Teddy on my right hand side. That is if you're watching me. If not, it will be the other way around.
All right. I did. Hello.
And I just want to do a shout out to all these fascinating channels that I've been looking and watching and following. And
That's
they're
right.
Great cooks, but I do want you guys to go check them out because they're really good. And then you guys tell me what you guys think, right? And if you guys like it, that will be great. But the first one, I'm going to give it to I Heart Cake. I Heart Cake is a channel
Hey, girl.
is about baking.
She bakes
where they
cakes,
make,
cookies,
cakes,
brownies.
muffins,
Learn a lot of baking stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Click her link down below.
Like Michael said, you can click her link down below. And also, then we're gonna go with Manan's Cooking. Manan's Cooking is an Indian food, in which consists of videos and recipes.
Yep.
Of,
Indian cuisine.
Indian cuisine. Okay. And then we're gonna have two more Indian cuisines. I mean, two more Indian channels that I would like.
I
to
love
launch.
curry.
And that will be My Nani Kitchen. You can
Hey, girl.
go down below and click on the link, My Nani Kitchen. My Nani Kitchen is also video Indian food, which it complies of videos and recipes and all that stuff that we all like. And the third but not least of the Indian recipes and channels, the name is My Kitchen Food. Also, recipes, videos.
Link down below.
And just click on the link down below.
We're trying to spread the love.
Last but not least, we're going to give a shout out to Sam's World of Ration. He's a military channel with ready-to-eat meals. So with that, guys, I'm going to let everybody go. But before I do that, I would like you guys to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook, like us on Google+, Pinterest. We have Patreon down below. If you click down below on Patreon, it's just like for you guys, if you guys want to donate $1 to this channel. And that will be great. We will appreciate it. If not, we're still going to continue to make these videos and recipe videos and shout outs so you guys can follow us and like us. And you guys, we always have something to learn. It doesn't matter how much we know how to cook or not. There's always something new that we can always learn. I'm always learning every day. And I'm going to be 54 years old this year. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. And you know what to do. Don't drink and drive. I love you all. And I'll see you in a couple of days for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. God bless all.